Have you ever considered the journey of your clothes before they land in your wardrobe? Or what happens after they're not in style anymore? Our modern, fast-paced world often encourages a throwaway culture, particularly when it comes to fashion. This approach has significant environmental implications. But what if we took a leaf out of our ancestors' book, who valued longevity in their garments and frequently repaired and repurposed them? In a world where fashion is fast and disposable, the art of repairing and repurposing clothing is a timeless practice that we need to revive. Historically, clothing was not a disposable commodity. It was valued, cherished, and repaired when worn out. Delving into the annals of fashion history, we find a time when garments were created with longevity in mind and resources were scarce. Skills to mend, alter, and repurpose clothes were treasured and passed down through generations, a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of our ancestors. The virtue of repairing was a necessity, an art form even. The thread of history weaves a tale of sustainable practices that we need to relearn and adopt. In the face of environmental crisis, the old-school practice of repairing and repurposing clothes is making a comeback. Sustainable fashion designers and DIY enthusiasts are leading the charge, breathing new life into garments through mending, altering, and creative repurposing. The contrast between this and the environmental impact of fast fashion is stark. But it's not just about reducing waste. Repairing and repurposing not only extends the life of our clothes but also nurtures an appreciation for the craft and creativity involved in making them. Sustainability starts with us, in our wardrobes. Consider the lifespan of your clothes. A small tear or a missing button doesn't have to signal the end. It's an invitation to get creative, to learn the skills of mending and altering, to give your garments a second life. By repairing and repurposing, not only do we reduce waste, we also foster a deep appreciation for what we wear. Next time you think of throwing away a worn-out garment, remember, it's not just a piece of clothing, it's an opportunity to make a difference.